Glow is a temporary public art exhibition in Scissortail Park featuring two large installations called Passage by Serge Maheu and Oscillation by the Urban Conga. Both works include interactive lights and sounds that respond to the movement of the viewers around them. They are intended to inspire creative play and spontaneous social connections. It will be such a gift to the community, yet none of it would be possible without the most generous gift of the Inasmuch Foundation.
At Inasmuch Foundation, we are thrilled to be able to support this project of Allied Arts, knowing that it's their 50-year anniversary. What a great celebration. And I can't imagine a better thing to do than bring the arts right into the community. It's really a fantastic idea, and we're looking forward to everyone in the community enjoying it.
What this community needs is joy, and the arts bring joy. After 2 years of pandemic woes, we have all been depleted and exhausted, and we felt it was time for a change, time for celebration, and time to bring the community together.
It's going to be a place that toddlers can enjoy all the way up to our senior citizens in Oklahoma City, and we're just thrilled to see all of the various ways that people come up with to interact with the art.
So if you come to experience Passage, Passage is a tunnel of light where people will activate animations and sound when they pass through it. When it comes to contemporary art, sometimes in museums it's not very common for people to get to the museum. But when we get in the public space, anybody can enjoy this piece of art. They can just learn about it, learn how to interact with it.
Inasmuch Foundation is thrilled to bring the gift of Glow to the Oklahoma City community. We really value serving vulnerable children and families, and so what excites us most about the two exhibits is that families and children will be able to access those completely free of charge and at whatever point they want to. Because the items glow, they're also great for families after work or in the evenings when they might have more downtime.
I'm so excited about the event. I'm excited that people for an entire month will come down to Scissortail Park and enjoy this really unique art experience. I can't wait to bring Lily and Frank, my own kids, down to Scissortail Park and do this Oscillation piece down here that I'm looking at. It's going to be awesome for our community to experience over the next 30 days and celebrate 50 years of Allied Arts.
The exhibit will actually be open from 6 o'clock in the morning until 11 o'clock at night, every day now through April 10th. So bring out the families, come and have fun in Scissortail Park and enjoy all that Scissortail has to offer and this tremendous gift from Allied Arts and Inasmuch Foundation.